Have you heard of vermeil jewelry or bought any of it? Vermeil jewelry is one of the hottest trends right now as it strikes the perfect balance between quality and value. But it seems a new word for the mass and they tend to confuse vermeil with gold plating. Technically, vermeil is one type of gold plating process, and even though they do have some comments, there are differences in quality, durability, and desirability. Watch this video before ordering the jewelry. It helps to differentiate between these two options. Ideally, there are several factors including composition, thickness, and base metal that contribute to determine if a piece of jewelry is a vermeil or not. Question here, what is vermeil? Vermeil, pronounced vermeil, is a legally regulated term that refers to a certain kind of quality jewelry. To be legally called vermeil in the United States, the jewelry piece must meet all of these conditions. Number 1. Have sterling silver as its base material. Sterling silver is an alloy made of 92.5% pure silver and 7.5% other materials, and is a standard material used in high-quality jewelry. Number 2. Be plated in gold that is at least 10K, 10 carats, which means the gold is at least 41.7% gold content. Number 3. Have gold plating that is at least 2.5 microns thick. A micron is 1/1000th of a millimeter. However, different countries may regulate vermeil differently. Like Canada, the requirement for vermeil is only 1 micron thick. So, before you're ordering your jewelry, you should check the regulation or law related to vermeil in your targeted country to sell. Gold plating is simple. It refers to jewelry that has gold plating on top of its base metal. It does not require sterling silver to be used as base material and usually uses a less valuable material such as brass or steel as its core. Then you will ask, how thick is the gold plating should be? Thickness matters as it determines the longevity of wear. A jewelry expert would suggest 0.5 micron gold plating should make the jewelry last for half a year, 1 micron for a year, and 2 microns for 2 years, and so on. And of course, it should depend on the factors such as usage of the jewelry, storing conditions like humidity, and the carrying of each piece to determine the longevity of the jewelry. So, should you apply vermeil standard on your jewelry? Depending on your target customers, if you aim to sell quality and durable jewelry, order it with the vermeil specifications. Or else, if you are targeting fast-moving jewelry, you should go with less micron gold plating. And most importantly, we can produce with any jewelry from 0.1 to 5 microns. Reach out to our jewelry experts via website or social media links below and get a quote now. And if you have any questions about jewelry production, drop us your questions in the comment box below. Maybe we can talk about that next time. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. See you next time. Bye.